Hello and welcome from Kibo Push team. In this video, we are going to talk about one of our growth tool features, Messenger ads. With this growth tool feature, you can convert users clicking on your Facebook ads to become subscribers for your pages on Kibo Push. Now, this is an opportunity for businesses to tailor conversations with their potential customers in Messenger to meet their specific needs and generate leads. So let's talk about how this happens with click to Messenger ads. And what are they? Click to Messenger ads are campaign ads shown on Facebook, Instagram, or Messenger. And when a user clicks on them, they're taken to a conversation with the business page and receive a message which you can set up as a part of the ad while creating one. It is specified as Messenger content in the ad. If you have been creating ads on Facebook, you'll probably know about this. Next question coming to your mind will be, how will this help me get subscribers? So the answer is here. A growth tool feature, Messenger ads on Kibo Push, will help you create a custom Messenger content for the ad. This custom Messenger content can have a button with a call to action which encourages users to engage in conversation with the bot and hence become a subscriber for the page. Let us have a live demo for this. We will go to ads creation screen on Facebook. This is the URL, facebook.com/adsmanager/creation. And here you can see the screen. We are going to choose marketing objective and we will choose messages. Facebook offers advertisers with a number of ad objectives. Messages is for the one who wants to open conversation with the customers, and this is what exactly we are looking for. So click on messages, click on continue. You can specify your ad account details here, specify budget for your ad set and click continue. Next, we are going to choose the page for which we want to create the ad. We will choose an ad format. I'll keep it simple. Here I've chosen single image or video. I'm going to upload an image for my ad. And change the headline. So this is how my Facebook ad is going to look like. And whenever the user clicks on this, a message will be sent on the Messenger. I'll go down to Messenger setup. This is the part where we configure the user experience in Messenger when the ad is clicked. Click on the first option, create your own welcome experience. Click on the custom tab and choose custom welcome messages. Click on create message. So there are two tabs, visual and JSON. And here are the settings for your welcome message that you want to configure. Now, whatever message that you're creating here, Facebook is building a JSON for this. JSON is simple JavaScript object notation that is used to send data from server to web page. Over here, it is a simple representation of the message that you are creating. Using Kibo Push, you can create your custom message on Messenger ads feature. This feature will provide you with a JSON, which you can copy here. And there are two basic advantages that you gain from it. Number one, you can use all the Kibo Push Messenger components like audio, video, card, gallery, or list to create your custom message. Secondly, and most importantly, we will add call to actions in our message, which will encourage users to get into a conversation with a bot. This will make them your paid subscribers on Kibo Push. Now let us go to Kibo Engage and create a custom message on Messenger Ads Growth Tool feature. So here we are on Keepo Engage. Click on Growth Tools and click on Messenger Ads. Let us create a new Messenger ad. Enter an ad title. This is the default opt-in message by Keepo Push, and this is how it appears to the users on their Facebook Messenger. Let's go ahead and edit our opt-in message. Okay, so this is my opt-in message. This is the message that will appear to my users once they click on the ad. Okay, I can edit the template here, and I can also add further components. I'm going to add an image here. Most importantly, add postback buttons to your components. I already have one postback button in my default message. This is my postback button, and here is the message. So whenever my user is going to click on this postback button, he or she is going to receive this message. Keep in mind that you are at the risk of not getting any subscribers if your first opt-in message does not have any postback buttons. I'm going to show you how to create another postback button. Click on Add button, choose a title here, and choose Action Reply with a message. Click on Create Message. Over here, click on this new tab, and here you can create a message for this button. I'm going to add a text message here. This is just a sample message. So this is my opt-in message, and I've created 2 postback buttons on my opt-in message. Let's save our message, and let's save our ad. Once you have saved your ad, you can open the Setup tab, and here we have the JSON for the message that we have just created. Copy the code in one click, and you can copy this JSON message here in Ads Manager in the JSON tab. Click on Preview in Messenger, and Facebook is going to send this to your page. Okay. So this is how it is going to be shown to the users when they click on the ad and land to your Facebook page on Messenger. Once the user clicks on any of your postback buttons, they can become your subscribers on Facebook. Now this way you'll be able to harness information from your potential customers on Keepo Push to design your marketing strategies as per their needs. I am sure for all the Facebook advertisers out there, this growth tool feature will open wide opportunities, and they're going to simply love it. This is all from my side. Stay connected to Keepo Push. Have a nice day. Thank you.